Hi everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video lecture we discuss about the topic. The topic for discussion is what are activating groups and deactivating groups for electrophilic substitution on aromatic compounds. For the aromatic compounds, for the further electrophilic substitutions or electrophilic substitutions, we can say that some groups or some substituents that are deactivating the benzene ring, and some substituents or some groups of atoms that are activating the benzene ring. So okay, we discuss about this topic, the activating effect and deactivating effect of the substituents, right, in this video lecture. So before starting the video means lecture in this topic, I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel or you do not subscribe this channel, then you can right now subscribe it and hit the notification button to get the new video upload notification. Let's start the discussions regarding this topic. We want to know about that what are the activating groups and what are the deactivating groups. When this means electrophilic substitution occurs in the benzene ring, that time the electrophile enters to the benzene ring. Okay, so we can see that when electrophilic substitution occurs at benzene ring, that time one electrophile will introduce in the benzene ring, and this already present electrophile in the benzene ring can decide the nature of the benzene ring. Means this electrophile which is now substituted one hydrogen position of the benzene ring, it can be deactivating the benzene ring, it can be activated the benzene ring. So according to this nature of this E group, we can say the activating and deactivating of the benzene ring. Activating means the group or substituent that can makes the electrophilic substitution easier. They are called the activating substituents, and those substituents which makes the electrophilic substitution difficult, or you can say the definition like other way, like the substituent that can make a faster electrophilic attack than the benzene. Okay, so the substituent that can make the faster electrophilic attack rather than benzene, okay, than benzene itself. If the substituent can make the benzene make the electrophilic attack on the ring or aromatic compound more faster, then we call the substituent as the activating group. So activating group, what happens in case of activating group? Activating group make faster the rate of substitution reactions for aromatic compounds. For aromatic compounds, the activating groups donates the electron pairs to the benzene ring, and as a result the electron density on benzene ring increases due to the electron donation by this substituent, okay, activating substituent. So electron density in this benzene ring increases due to the electron donation by the substituent, okay. And similarly the opposite thing will happen, means electron deficiency occurs in the benzene ring, means electron withdrawing from the benzene ring takes place when the E is operating a minus I effect. When E is operating a minus I effect or minus M effect, okay, that time this E group deactivates the benzene ring. That means the further electrophilic substitutions make difficult, because if you know the electron density in the benzene ring decreases, that time the electrophilic substitutions take place in difficulty, okay, facing difficulty. So for this reason, so some groups, I am listing the some groups as the deactivating group. So these groups have minus M effect and minus I effect, Okay, so due to this minus M and minus I effect of this group, this makes the benzene ring electron deficient, and electron density on the benzene ring decreases and makes the electrophilic substitution difficultly the electrophilic substitution occur when these type of groups are present in the benzene ring. So for this reason these groups are called which are having minus M effect or minus I effect, these groups are called the deactivating groups, or these substituents are called deactivating substituent, because these substituents can make the rate of the substitutions slower. These are minus I minus M effect operating group. So these are called deactivating groups, and these are making the electrophilic substitution slower, okay, slower than the benzene itself. Benzene, the electrophilic substitution at benzene occur at much faster compared to the electrophilic substitutions occur in the case of the substituent like COOH, CHO. Okay, so these are called deactivating group. Okay, we talk about the benzene, and if we talk about the nitrobenzene, the nitrobenzene deactivate the benzene ring, and electrophilic substitution further in the case of nitrobenzene occur at a slower speed, slower rate than the electrophilic substitution occur at the benzene, because the NO2 group withdraws the electron pair from the benzene ring by the minus M effect and minus I effect, and for this reason benzene ring deactivated. So the electrophilic substitution further in these two compounds occur at faster rate in case of benzene compared to in case of nitrobenzene, because in case of nitrobenzene the electron density decreases because of the minus I and minus M effect of the NO2 group. Okay, similarly, so this NO2 group is called a deactivating group. NO2 group is a deactivating group because it deactivates the benzene ring, it decreases the electron density on the benzene ring, and as a result the electrophilic substitution rate of electrophilic substitution decreases after introducing a NO2 group in the benzene ring. But similarly, if we compare the toluene, okay, if we compare the two compounds, one is toluene and another is the benzene, that time you can find that in case of toluene the electrophilic substitution occur at faster rate compared to the electrophilic substitution occur at benzene, because in case of benzene there is no electron releasing or electron donating group, but in case of toluene the methyl group donating the electron to the benzene ring. As a result the electron density in the benzene ring increases and it becomes more as the electron density in the benzene ring increases, it is become activating, and this group CH3 group is called the activating group, which makes the electrophilic substitution easier and faster compared to benzene. So this one is called the activating group, and these are orthopara directing group. So activating group, the other examples of activating group are like the OH group, NH2 group, OR and NR2. These are called activating group because these groups activates the benzene ring, means the electrophilic substitution occur for in presence of this group in the benzene, the electrophilic substitution occur at more faster rate compared to benzene, and electrophilic substitution make easier by this group when these groups are present in the benzene. So for this reason these groups are called activating group, and due to the activation of benzene ring, in this case the electrophilic substitutions occur more faster rate compared to the electrophilic substitution in benzene itself. So this is the complete discussion about the activating group and deactivating group in case of the electrophilic substitution on aromatic compounds. Okay, so you can understand this topic, I think, and if you do not understand, or if you have any question or confusion, any doubt about any points, then you can ask me in the comment section below. I would be happy to answer your question. And if you find this discussion, from this discussion you are learning something, you are enjoying something, or something interesting is present in this lectures, then you can like this video. And if you find this channel is educating you, giving you valuable informations, then you can subscribe this channel.